The Trade Confident account is up $33,231 through this week. Absolutely insane. Ho, buddy, look at this candle in Bitcoin. We have far surpassed previous resistance predictions at $45,000. We've gotten some comments recently talking about a move up as high as $47,000 to $48,000 before any sort of drops happen. This may be in the cards. So great call from you guys. At this point, I want to let you know we are still expecting drops right off the bat. So in this video, I am going to show you why exactly that is. It is very common for blow-off tops like this to happen in Bitcoin before having events. So I'm not worried. Strap in. This is going to be a great video. Let's jump into it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. As of today, we are 135 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades. Great calls from Travis Martin there, and I want to let you know we have a brand new future forecast out. There's actually 2 of them out today. We have an emergency update, Bitcoin huge crash or pump within days. Travis is placing a $56,000 trade you might want to join. Now, there is an update posted, so for anyone in our membership, be sure to watch both of these videos today, just in case you end up taking this trade. Now, based on the movements, the trades we've been taking, and the information in the future forecast videos, currently, the Trade Confident account is up $33,231 through this week. Absolutely insane. And if you want to see what we're doing, the actions we're taking in the crypto market in response to this insane move up, be sure to snag a membership at the links in the description down below. With that, let's jump into the video. Alrighty, I am going to skip the metrics for today. We're going to dive straight into the live charts. I'm trading with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus well money flow, and trades in favor indicators. Now, I do want to talk to everybody about what's going on here. At this point, there was a ton of liquidity at $45,000, and as whales pushed money into the market, as we saw here, retail traders joined the charge, and we got what's called a short squeeze. Because there was so much short trade liquidity right at this point, whales actually ended up liquidating them, and the lack of downward pressure from the newly vacated short trades actually resulted in a significant move up. And as short traders began to try and recoup their losses, they entered long trades, further pushing the price up. Now, we still have resistance. Let me move this chart down a little bit so we can see it. We still have resistance at our high for 2024 and our bull market high so far at $49,100. I do not think we're going to surpass this point. There is a small chance of a $50,000 move. This is going to be covered in the future forecast video that we just released this morning, so do not miss out on that. Today, I'm going to be covering the bearish scenario because at this point, we still feel this is more likely before the real bull run really takes off. Now, as we stand, price versus well money flow is high. This green line is moving horizontally, which to me indicates we may actually see whale money begin moving out of the market. When whale money leaves this market, this is when I think we're going to really see Bitcoin begin dropping. Right now, trades in favor is crazy high with a 94% chance of a drop, and wherever this ends up, whatever resistance we hit, we will be looking for a sell signal. Check this out. Price versus well money flow high. We saw trades in favor high, and we got that sell signal, which resulted in moves down. Price versus well money flow high, trades in favor high, strong sell, got that move down. Even over here, price versus well money flow was kind of middle of its chart, kind of high. Trades in favor was in the same position. We got a sell signal, little bit of a move down before this pump. Crazy calls from these indicators. And while I will say Bitcoin has far surpassed our previous upward targets, we still think we are about to reach a top and will be moving down within a couple of weeks. And that is because if we head to the 1 week time frame, our bearish signals are just as strong. We see price versus well money flow high. We see trades in favor high with a 76% chance of a drop. We see our sell and strong sell signals. And based on these signals, we did get a little bit of a move down, but I do not think it's over yet. As we test that $49,000 mark, if we even reach that high, this is the point that I think we're going to see significant moves to the downside. Don't believe me? Let's check out previous halving cycles. This right here is the third halving cycle. This is what we're looking at right now. And what you're going to notice is after the peak in the market, we see a major bear market for quite some time. Then we see a rise up to hit a mid-cycle top. And so far, every halving event, this is correlated with the 0.786 line on a Fibonacci retracement. From there, we see a massive drop before the real bull run starts. This is what we've been banking on for quite some time. And in this, you're going to notice right before the takeoff, we saw a price drop just a little bit before a massive move that actually broke through resistance, and then the price drops after that. I think this is exactly what we're seeing. And with that in mind, I'm going to take you now to the second halving event. We're going to scroll in here. I do want to say, excuse my voice, please. I've had a really bad cough and it just will not go away. So my voice seems to be getting a little bit raspier every day. Right here, we saw the absolute bull market top. We saw the major bear market. We saw the mid-cycle top at that 786 line. And then we saw a major drop in price before the bull run really started. If we scroll in here, you're going to see once again, we saw a price drop, crazy move up to nearly retest that mid-cycle top again, and then a price drop down before the bull market starts. Now, I do want to point out that the very first halving event was not quite as bearish as the second and third halving events. So we need to be careful here. I'm not going to go over that in this video. This will actually be covered by Travis in the future forecast. So you do not want to miss out on that video, but we've hit our mid-cycle top right here. We saw a move down, move up to retest it. And at this point, as we move into the halving event, I think we are still going to see a drop. Heading back into our regular Bitcoin chart, you're going to see multiple structure supports and resistances. At this point, I'm going to talk to you about my targets as we move up, and especially if we retest resistance here at $49,000, even if we see a little bit higher up, we still have some of the most bearish signals you can possibly get in the crypto market playing out on both the weekly and the daily time frame here. Because of that, we are expecting moves down. Multiple times this happened. Price versus one money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal move down. Price versus one money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal move down. Price versus one money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal move down, over and over and over again. Keep in mind, this is the weekly time frame, so this is a very long period of time. Each of these little bars is 7 days. So every 4 of these bars is roughly a month. So we can tell right here after this, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a month. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 2 months. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is basically 3 months worth of just straight bearish movements after some major tops. It happens over and over and over again. Now, the span of time that this goes on for varies slightly, but overall, we are expecting moves down. This is a very long-term prediction. Once again, months out, as we're looking to move into the halving event in April. So targets move up. I would not be shocked to see a sell or strong sell signal as we test this resistance. From there, a move down. We need to see $38,000 first. Once we touch that support, we will need to reevaluate. If things are still looking bearish, we will be looking for structure support here at $31,800. And personally, I think this is the lowest we could go. But the way we're catching the bottom is on the weekly, we're looking for price versus while money flow low. We're looking for trades in favor low. And ideally, I'd like to see a buy signal to call the absolute bottom. The reason we're doing this is price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, buy signal, move up. Price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, buy signal, crazy move up in the market. So on the weekly time frame, if we see these signals, that's where we're looking for the absolute bottom. Now on the 1 day, I think we could see similar signals, especially as we begin to test $38,000, but the daily time frame sees and predicts smaller movements in the market. So we may actually see these readings closer, even as high as $43,500. Let me actually change these to green to show that they are now support structures. And these are the signals that we are trading with. We are very confident about this move down, but of course, no matter what happens in the crypto market, we will keep everyone updated. And I want to remind you, this is all speculation. I'm not giving financial advice here. This is my personal opinion on what's going to happen in the crypto market. We don't recommend trades. Always talk to a financial advisor before you take any trades whatsoever. Now, with that, I want to let you know you can snag these indicators for up to $550 off. They are exactly what have helped us earn 135 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades. And I want to reiterate, because I know we're getting comments on this, Those trades are reserved for our members. We wait very carefully for signals to post and use crazy risk management before taking those trades. And that risk management is actually built into the TC top and bottom finder here. But that information is reserved for a later video. So if you want to snag these indicators and make sure you stay updated day to day, week by week, hour by hour, the links are in the description down below. You're going to want to go ahead and scroll down here, click more, and hear me out here, but you're going to want to snag a membership first. And that is because full access membership, $59 a month, gets you massive discounts on your indicators. You're going to be able to watch that future forecast video I just talked to you about. You do not want to miss this one. Access all trade setups, live Zoom coaching every single month, and more. But hurry, because price increases up to $65 a month are coming April 20th. This is the estimated date for the halving event. Now, keep in mind, $59 a month members will be grandfathered in with no increase per month. So you're going to want to snag this soon, even if it is just for the indicator coupon codes. From there, you're going to want to click indicators, scroll down. The Pro Indicator Pack is what you're looking for. Remember, members, $150 off right off the bat. Access that coupon code at this link, then click Pro Indicator Pack. Go ahead and scroll down, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you that total $550 discount. Click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we are so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in that future forecast video. Don't miss out.